Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden 4 save game files location. I'll show you guys where it saves. You just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive, go to users folder, and you need to open the username folder. If you doesn't know username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see where username and then double click on it and check the view option and select show and make sure you checked this hidden items so that this app data folder will be visible, and then just double click on it and now open the local folder. Now find Ninja Gaiden 4, just double click on it and this is where all of your game progress will be saved. Before updating the game or moving to a new PC, you just need to pack up this file guys. And you can easily restore these files in a new game guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.